I just got these index cards for my son for school. Let's open them up and see the quality. Now I went with these because you get a ton of them and I love the bright colors. It'll make it very easy for him to use these in any projects he has. And if he needs to differentiate between subjects, he can use different colors. They're super bright, super playful. I also like that they all come sealed in their separate packaging, as it means if I only want to use one of these, I don't have to open up all of them at the same time. So let's look at the colors first. You get this really bright neon yellow, this warm orange, a very, very bright pink, and this green that's not as neon as the other ones, but is still quite bright. Now I'm just going to open up the yellow. Now opening up the yellow, these are great cards. They are good and thick, not super thick, but thick enough. I mean, I can fold them, which also is helpful, but they will hold really well too. Now they are lined on one side and just plain on the other, so it really lets you get options on how you want to use them. I really appreciate that. And let's color on one real quick to see how it looks. Really easy to write on it. Obviously, I'm doing something silly here. I'm just treating it like a quick flashcard here, but you could use these however you want. You could use these for doing speeches. You can use them for organizing your notes, for gathering your thoughts, whatever you want. Really great all around.